exploring the ship today. I'm gonna figure out what's in here. This is our 10-year anniversary trip. We are almost on the gangplank to get onto the cruise boat.
Yes.
Finally, it has been a lot of days of running around at amusement parks, and now we get to just relax and get burned by the sun. It's gonna be so great. This is our 10-year anniversary trip, by the way. It's been 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah! There's our first sneak peek, our cruise ship. It is through this box window with a left bottle of water. Now onward. Here we go. We're getting on the boat. Oh, I'm excited. What's the first food you're gonna eat, Austin?
What's available?
Anything. It's a cruise ship. You can eat anything you want.
Lobster.
Okay, lobster it is. We're gonna go find it.
Help you for your master station, the lady in red.
Okay, thank you. Happy Easter. Right now we're mustering. Muster station. We're on the cruise ship. It's official now. We're gonna be stuck here for the next 6 days. I was gonna say 60. I hope we're not here for 60 days.
Why?
Because we're away from our family and our kids. And my mom and dad would just be stuck.
Yeah. True.
And plus, I think after 6 days, well, I think after a couple weeks, it would start to lose its allure. That's why. Looking for our stateroom. Where is it? Oh my goodness. It's such a beautiful stateroom. And he comes with a husband! Oh. Oh, my alarm's going off to tell me that I need to put more eye drops in my freaking eye because a dumb bug flew in my eye on a roller coaster.
We know it was a dumb bug because
A smart bug would
flew
never have done that. Okay, what?
you got it.
You're funny.
You said it.
I only got the idea because of you. Alright, I'll let you say it. That way you can get
That's
credit.
already done.
Do it!
No.
A dumb bug flew in my eye.
Dumb bug.
And a TV and a little desk. And maybe a bathroom. Let's see. Aha! Hello! I'm in the bathroom of a cruise ship!
2 outlets in the whole room, plus 1 if you have an adapter.
I'm done. Oh! We're exploring the ship today. I'm gonna figure out what's in here. Is it locked? Or am I just really weak?
It's locked.
Look at all of the beautiful artwork displayed proudly underneath the stairs. As if they don't want anyone to see that it is there. Ah,
Welcome to the library.
books and games. My family would call this the romp room because we went on a cruise once and we played games inside of the library a lot. And all over the walls of the library were naked men. Ropes course up there. why I'm insulted. Now that we're on the boat, we have to admit we're a little disappointed at how few pools there are. It's just like big empty deck space. Look at this.
However, there are a lot of really good restaurants.
Take a nap?
Like a full-on bed. Literally, it's a queen-size bed.
And they've got little pods. This is the 21 and over retreat area. This is our 10-year anniversary trip. Still exploring the ship. It's day 2 and we still haven't found everything on the ship yet.
Big ship.
Yeah, really big.
Go well in the piano room.
You cute little guy. It's okay. Mommy's here for you.
He's chilling, just relaxing on the bed. Looks like Toffee. That's what Toffee looks like. Oh my gosh, they're on every single chair. That is so funny. And it's our formal night. That's why I'm so dressed up and fancy. Good evening.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Sleepy.
Us too. I think we're gonna go to bed. I know it's only 9 something.
I know, right?
Our bags are all packed. It's time for our cruise story to end. We're so sad. I'm so sad. Getting off the boat.
Yes, we are.
Oh my gosh. I almost ran into a wall. It's really dark at night, and it's our only chance to swim in Lake Ontario, so here I am. I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes.